How to avoid jet lag and sleep better while traveling. Traveling to different time zones can be exciting, but it can also disrupt your sleep schedule and leave you feeling exhausted and jet-lagged. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to avoid jet lag and get a better night's sleep while traveling. Adjust to your destination's time zone before you leave. Start adjusting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip. If you're traveling westward, try moving your bedtime later by an hour each night. If you're traveling eastward, try moving it earlier. This will help you adjust more quickly to the new time zone when you arrive. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before and during your flight to avoid dehydration. This will also help you sleep better, as dehydration can lead to headaches and fatigue. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep, so avoid them during and after your flight. This includes coffee, tea, soda, and alcohol. Instead, opt for herbal tea or water. Exercising before your flight can help you sleep better during your flight. And, if possible, take short walks during your flight to get your blood flowing. Get comfortable. Create a comfortable sleep environment by bringing a travel pillow, earplugs, and an eye mask. This will help block out any noise and light, allowing you to sleep more deeply. By following these tips, you can avoid jet lag and sleep better while traveling. Bon voyage!